When Valmiki describes that beautiful place, he describes the wonderful trees, lakes, swans, the peacocks, the deer. The trees are grown so thick and so beautiful. The sun hardly comes in. And the whole place, Brahmyam Lakshmyam Samahitam. The Lakshmyam means the beauty of the various mantras that they have been reciting, the yajnas that they have been performing, reverberates in that space. Just as here, the names of the Lord has been reverberating for a day and a half, and we have 1.5 days more to go. Sitaram, Sitaram, bolo bolo. Sitaram, Sitaram, Sitaram. So in that state, Sharabhanga's story is given. Rama sees Sharabhanga in his ashrama. So what Rama does before he enters any ashrama, this is Kshatriya etiquette. He removes the string from the bow to signify that this is not a place for battle. I've come here for worship. So let's just imagine here, the flute disappears, and there's Rama sitting there with Sita. Sitaram, 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 Sitaram. So there is one sadhu who is doing yajna. Ardha vartita mantram. Ek avriti. He is giving an offering. He sees Rama. He sets everything aside, walks off. You can't stop a yajna in the middle. Somebody is chanting half a mantra, sees Rama, stops there, didn't even complete the mantra, walks off. Somebody is doing Atiti Satkar, stops serving the Atiti, walks away to see Rama. Sitaram, 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 Sita. Boliye, boliye. Ya Sitaram. So they are saying, we are experiencing a feeling we have never experienced for very many years. We feel like 1,000 cupids are attacking us at this point in time. We have never given up ourselves up to that frailty. But when we see you, O Rama, my heart is fluttering in love for you. Sitaram, 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 Sitaram. them come together. Not just them, even the deer standing there are not able to blink their eyes, seeing that beautiful resplendent Rama shining, big broad shoulders of a Kshatriya, beautiful eyes. Valmiki describes that he is like the first moon after a Purnima, an Amavasya. No moon, and that's the first moon appearing there. They are admiring the beauty of Rama. They see his beautiful gait, like a lion, described like an elephant. All the sadhus come together, offer him Vedic respects. And then Rama sits down. And you know how he sits down? That's what you see in front of you. Sitaram, Sitaram, Sitaram. Sitaram, Sitaram. Vaidehi Sahitam Suradrumatale Haime Maha Mantape. Vaidehi Sahitam, along with Vaidehi, Suradrumatale, under fantastic trees. Haime Maha Mantape Madhye Pushpakamasane. Pushpakamasane, a beautiful flower deck asana that he is sitting on. Manimaye Virasane Sustitam. Virasane Sustitam, and that's the inspiration behind this. The way the Lord is seated, one leg on his thigh and the other leg down. This is called Virasana. And this is the description of Rama when the Pattabhisheka happens. This is the shloka I am giving you from Rama's Pattabhisheka. Sitaram, 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 Jaya Sitaram. Sitaram, Sitaram, with me. Sitaram, Jaya Sitaram, Sitaram. Same thing happens with Shabari. Shabari is waiting for 13 years. It's not a plain wait. 13 years every day she has been preparing that place for Rama. 13 years every day she has been collecting fruit for Rama. She knows the best trees that are there. She knows the best fruits. Every day in anticipation of Rama. All those years, Pratikshana Swadana Lolupasya. At every kshana, they desire that they get the association of the Lord. And all that effort now pays off with the Lord coming in their presence. Sitaram, Sitaram. why Sharabanga said, when Indra came and gave him the visa to the spiritual world, he said, no thanks. I'm waiting for somebody special. And all the rishis do that. They send Rama to the next rishi. Sharabanga sends him to Sutikshna. Sutikshna sends him to Agastya. Agastya sends him further on to his brothers. All of these rishis are perfected